In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search location in Microsoft Outlook. If you use Outlook regularly, adjusting your default search location can save time and make it easier to find the emails you need. This setting controls whether Outlook searches only the folder you're currently in or expands the search to include more folders automatically. Let's walk through how to change it. Start by going to your Outlook inbox. This is the main mail view where you normally read and manage your messages. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the settings panel where Outlook keeps many of its general preferences and customization options. After the settings panel opens, click on General. This section contains broad account and interface settings, so it's the right place to begin when you want to change how Outlook behaves overall. Inside General, click on Search. This takes you to the area specifically related to how Outlook handles searches, including where it looks by default when you type something into the search bar. If you often switch between folders and have trouble finding messages, this is the setting that can make a big difference. Now locate the Search Scope section. This is where Outlook lets you decide the default search location. In this area, you'll see options related to how searching works from your inbox or within folders. Next, choose the option you want. You can click on all folders when searching from the inbox, all folders, or current folder, depending on your preference. If you want the broadest results and don't want to miss emails stored in other folders, choosing all folders can be helpful. If you prefer faster, more focused results based only on where you currently are, current folder may be the better option. The best choice depends on how you organize your mailbox and how wide you want your searches to be by default. Once you've selected your preferred setting, click Save. This applies the change so Outlook will use your new default search location going forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default search location in Microsoft Outlook. If your searches ever feel too narrow or too broad, you can come back to this same search section and update the setting again at any time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.